ko. Wow, congrats! Beautiful!
Congratulations! Congratulations! Congratulations!
Congrats!
Uy, ang ganda!
Congratulations!
Jasmine Julie, di ba?
Congrats!
Congratulations! Jasmine Julie, di ba?
So, huwag tayong malulubayat. Meron tayong yes, performer. Internationally acclaimed. Actually, na-prank na siya.
Na-prank.
Guide lang ko dahil.
Guide na ko dahil. Ganda, oy!
International talent, no? Oo, talagang ganyan ang mga Pinoy partner. So this time, let's proceed. Now, partner, it's derived from the Greek diamond, word "dabiak," translated to make merry, and a world-class religious and cultural celebration held annually in Iloilo City. Sino taga Iloilo? Ilonggo ba lang? Ilonggo. Uy, isa mo na ito eh. Bisaya na rin ka. Bisaya ba? Okay na. Ano ang Ilonggo mag-Bisaya? Di ko lang na kasi ako. Okay, to dance in that gown, let's call on the Annunciation English Community. Mabuhay, Pilipinas! Ang kultura ng Pilipinas ay isang mahalagang yaman na ipapasa sa pamamagitan ng tradisyon, pamumuhay, at paniniwala. Bagamat may iba't ibang kultura sa bawat rehiyon ng bansa, matanging ang katangian at kaugalian na nagsisilbing pambansang pagkakakilanlan ng pagiging Pilipino. Tayo lang magbalik tanaw ang ating kumayan ang ilan na patuloy na bumubuhay sa ating puso Pinoy.
Puso
Harana
Pinoy.
o serenade. Tradisyonal na paraan ng panliligaw. Ang umiibig ay matagal umawit kahit pasintunalo. Nais lang masilayan, babae at mula sa puso'y may pakita ang paggalang at may pahayag ang pag-ibig na wagas. Uso pa ba ang harana? Marami pa rin ang sumasangguni dito bilang simbolo ng pag-ibig. Pag-aararo o plawe, paghahanda ng lupa bago taniman. Tradisyonal na paraan.
Ginawa siyang kalabaw. Cute.
Matagang ihahanda ang lupang sakahan upang maghiyak na malusog, pananim tulad ng mais at palay. Simbolo ng kasipagan sa mga Ilonggo. Pinapakita rin ito ang natural na yaman at agrikultura na siyang bumubuhay o kasiyahan ng ekonomiya ng Iloilo. Pagpapatuka sa manok, isang malalim na at sining ng mga Pinoy. Pag-aalaga ng hayop ay pang-araw-araw na gawain, lalo na sa mga probinsya. Pagsasalo-salo o banquet, mahalagang bahagi ng selebrasyon kung saan tampok ang Iloilo delicacies. Simbolo ito ng pagkakaisa at pagkakaibigan, pagsasama-sama at tanda ng magandang pakikitungo ng bawat isa. Here comes the Dinagyang. To honor our Mother Mary this month of May, Iniini, tulog anay, o little one, go to sleep. We begin with a traditional Ilonggo lullaby transformed into a prayer and urging for inner Festival is a massive world-class cultural and religious celebration held annually in Iloilo City, Philippines on the fourth Sunday of January. It honors the Santo Niño, the Holy Child Jesus, and commemorates the historic arrival and settlement of Malay immigrants. The festival is globally recognized for its energetic street dances like Harabila, massive drum beats, and intricate, colorful warrior costumes. The word Dinagyang, coined by local broadcaster Pacifico Sudario, comes from the local Filipino word Dagyang, which translates to merrymaking or cheerful revelry. It was originally celebrated in 1967 as Iloilo's Ati-Atihan. In 1977, the name was changed to Dinagyang to create a unique identity and distinguish it from other regional festivals. The festival bridges two important parts of the region's history: the religious faith. It is a deeply Catholic celebration devoted to Santo Niño, introduced to Iloilo by Reverend Father Ambrosio Galindez of the San Jose Parish, honoring the child Jesus and the spread of Christianity in Philippines. Historical legend. It commemorates the epic story of the martyr of Panay. According to local legend, early Bornean Malay settlers bought the island of Panay from the indigenous Ati people and celebrated their peaceful pact with a joyous feast. Celebration is values. The festival celebrates faith, history, rich heritage, passionate devotion to Señor Santo Niño, and the burning spirit of courage, especially for all of us OFWs. Let us be messengers of hope as we embrace our life with bravery, resilience, and heartfelt beauty. Let's journey together, hand in hand, and bring hope into the world. Our joy to present to you the Church of the Annunciation Filipino Sunday Group Dinagyang